Steph, do you have a junk drawer?
Yes.
A lot of us have junk drawers. Some of us even have junk rooms. The home office is usually the place where a little bit of everything gets sucked in. Between the office supplies and random crafts, many families have a hard time keeping the room clear enough to get stuff done. Well, Moore's organization expert, Vicki Norris, shows us how to keep your office in working order.
Home offices can easily become catch-all spaces. You know how it is. The volume of stuff, the different types of stuff that hit this room make it an imposing organizing challenge. But you are going to love these tips to help you disentangle the home office mess and simplify the space. So when Restoring Order came on the scene, it was a cluttered mess in this room. We had boxes full of random things. There were laundry bins and decorations. There were crafts strewn throughout the room. And as a cherry on top, there was the central vac tube sitting on top of the pile. And there was some furniture in this space, but it really wasn't being well used. So we needed to repurpose the furniture and reclaim the floor space. Okay, step one, we had to empty the contents of the room. The client had her kids help empty all of the stuff from this home office into her dining room. And boy, was that a big pile of stuff, from lampshades to boxes. It got moved from here to there, but that way we could see what we had. This allowed the floor to be revealed. We cleared some floor space in this process, and we began to be able to evaluate what kind of furniture we had. And really, this is when we could reimagine the space and repurpose that furniture in a new way. So our order restorer brilliantly divided this room into two distinctive sections: the home office and the home ec wall. Over here, we have the weaving loom, the sewing table, and cookbooks. And on the home office side, we gathered all of the office supplies and put them in this glassed cabinet. Then we have a place for incoming mail and a processing center for our client. And over here, we have a mail slot for each of the family members. Okay, so remember that vertical cubby system? We simply tipped it over on its side and created a horizontal storage unit. And what this did is it opened up space for her office equipment, and it gave us room for binders and paperwork. Here we included a memorabilia bin for every member of the family. Remember all those crafts mixed into the pile on the floor? Well, we organized them by type, by genre, and then we containerized them and labeled them. And what I love about this client is a single mom. She's got a lot on her plate, but now she can actually do her crafts. She can manage her home. She can enjoy the fine arts of cooking and sewing and weaving, and manage all of that paperwork to boot in one small home office that now isn't cluttered, isn't overwhelming, and is the hub of her home. I hope you're inspired to take back that catch-all room using these simple steps.
For a link to more with Vicki, just head to our website, kptv.com/moregdo.